Welcome to List It Live, where we give you a guided tour of San Diego's hottest homes for sale. I'm back with Rebecca.
Thanks for having me, Courtney.
Of course, we love having you on, and we're excited to share another one of your listings. So this one's over in Escondido. It's a 4-bed, 2-bath, a little over 1,400 square feet off Valley Parkway, unit number 35. So tell us about this property.
Well, this is in the community of Escondido Views, which we love. This is one of the very few land-owned, all-age, manufactured home parks in San Diego County, and especially in North County. So that means anyone can live here. It's a fantastic starter home for a family. It's a fantastic rental. This one is all the way at the back of the community. This is part of the backyard here. That is a wheelchair ramp running up the back, so it's really set up for everybody. You can't see it from here, but if you turn around and look the other way, you have beautiful views. Because it's at the back of the community, it's very, very quiet because this is right on Valley Parkway and Citricato. It's just a fantastic area. You're right by the breweries and the lake and the freeway, and Escondido has fantastic schools. This is an attached sunroom. It's a true bonus room. It is not counted in the square footage. And it's very nice. It's got a beautiful layout. It's just very clean, a very clean and simple home. 4 bedrooms, 2 bath with an island. This is the dining area that has built-ins. Where can you own a home in Escondido for $479,000 where you own the home and the land? I just think this is a super opportunity. You can see this is a nice large bedroom, big sliders. You have 2 bathrooms that have bathtubs and showers. Really a good setup.
And like
brand new carpet, brand new paint. This seller has done an awful lot to the home. He has just repaired and fixed and double checked everything.
Another bathroom, and like you said, it's very nice and clean, and it's such a great value for being in the area.
It really is. And this community has everything. It's got the pool, it's got the kiddie pool, it's got the jacuzzi, it's got the basketball courts, it's got the playground, it has a fitness center. It has the most amazing community center, which you can use for free for your events. Here's that. See, pool tables, ping pong tables, air hockey tables. It's just a fantastic value. It's going to go quickly. I think this is the 9th or 10th home we've sold in this community, and it's a wonderful place to live.
That's awesome. So you're an expert in the neighborhood, and if someone's wanting to take a look at this, are you doing open houses on this home?
We're probably going to do an open house this Saturday. We don't have the times yet, and they can call me anytime for a private showing.
Awesome. Well, thank you so much for sharing this home. And if you're looking for a home that has it all in Escondido, this is a 4-bed, 2-bathroom. Give Rebecca a call, and she's more than happy to set up a showing on this one for you or show you something else like it. Thanks so much for coming in.
Thanks for having me.